In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to tap on Notifications and Quick Settings. Following that, scroll again and click on Manage All right next to App Notifications. Before doing anything, hit Recent at the top left corner, and this way sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Realme, or only apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip, if you wish, you can also go back and tap on one of your apps over here. This way you can not only turn off or on notifications at the top, but also check out all of those notifications options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!